Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Gloire de Sablon Currant, and I apologize for my pronunciation. And it is beautiful. It has a deep, dark pink color to it. And similar to all of the other white and red currants we have here, it has quite a few seeds, and you can see them through the translucent skin. So it's very, very beautiful. Like we mentioned with all of our currants, currants are very easy to propagate from cuttings. You just take that cutting and you stick it in a pot, or you can even stick it directly in the ground in the winter. And as spring approaches, that cutting will take root and leaf out on its own. We have about probably 90 to 100% success rate on rooting currants. So it's a great way to grow an orchard with varieties you like, or you can also give them away or sell plants to others. Gloire de Sablon, like other white and red currant varieties, is very tart. The most common way to eat them for us is to bake them into some kind of baked good, or add sugar and process it into jam or some kind of preserves. Gloire de Sablon is very prolific for us. So you can see all the fruit here, and it's pretty healthy. The foliage here is a bright green and vibrant, and I think it's resistant to a lot of pests. This is Gloire de Sablon Currant. It's probably one of the prettiest currants we have here. And it's a very healthy plant and very productive for us.